Hi students, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss some MCQ questions from areas related to circles. Okay, then first one. If the circumferences and the area of a circle are numerically equal, then diameter of the circle is pi by 2, 2 pi, 2, 4. The circumferences and the area of a circle are equal. Circumferences of a circle, that is 2 pi r, that is equal to area of a circle, that is pi r square. Then we can cancel this pi and pi and r, then r is equal to 2, then diameter d is equal to 2 into 2, that is equal to 4. So our option is D. Then second question. If the difference between the circumferences and the radius of a circle is 37 centimeter, then using pi is equal to 22 by 7, the circumferences of the circle is. The circumferences and radius of a circle, the difference between the circumferences and the radius of a circle is 37 centimeter. Circumferences of a circle means that is 2 pi r, then minus r is equal to 37. R into 2 pi minus 1 is equal to 37. Then r into 2 into pi, that is 22 by 7. So we can write here 22 by 7 minus 1 is equal to 37. Okay, then r into 44 minus 7 divided by 7 is equal to 37. Therefore, r into 44 minus 7 means that is 37 divided by 7 is equal to 37. Therefore, r is equal to 37 into 7 divided by 37. We can cancel this 37 and 37, then r is equal to 7. Then we have to find out the circumferences of a circle. Circumferences of a circle is equal to 2 pi r. So 2 into 22 by 7 into 7. We can cancel this 7 and 7. Then our answer is 44. That is 44. So option B. Then third question. A wire can be bent in the form of a circle of radius 56 centimeter. If it is bent in the form of a square, then its area will be. A wire can be bent in the form of a circle. Then radius of the circle is equal to 56 centimeter. That is 56 centimeter. So r is equal to 56 centimeter. Then circumferences of the circle is equal to 2 pi r. That is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 56. We can cancel this, that is 8. Then 22 into 2 means that is 44. 44 into 8. That is equal to 352. So 352. If it is bent in the form of a square, okay, then this 352 is equal to 4a, because now this wire is bent in the form of a square. So the perimeter of the square is equal to 352. Therefore, A is equal to 352 divided by 4. That is equal to 88. So side of a square, that is 88. We have to find the area of a square. Area of a square is equal to a square, that is 88 square. 88 square means 8 square 64, then 8 square 64, 8 into 8 is 64, 64 into 2 means that is 128. Okay, then we can add this. Then 7744. So our answer is C, 7744. Then fourth question. If a wire is bent in the shape of a square, Then the area of the square is 81 centimeter square. When wire is bent in this semicircular shape, then area of the semicircle will be 22 centimeter square, 44 centimeter square, 77 centimeter square, 154 centimeter square. Okay, let the side of a square be a centimeter. Then the perimeter is 4a. Perimeter is equal to 4a. Area of the square is given. A square is equal to 81. Therefore, A is equal to 9. Therefore, perimeter is equal to 4 into 9. That is equal to 36 centimeter. Okay. Then now wire is bent into a semicircle. Therefore, wire is bent in the form of a semicircle. Then circumference is equal to pi r plus 2r. That is equal to 36. Then r into pi plus 2 is equal to 36. Then r is equal to 36 divided by pi plus 2. That is equal to 36 divided by 22 by 7 plus 2. 22 by 7. 7 into 2 means 14. 14 plus 22 means 36. That is 36 divided by 36 by 7. That is equal to 36 into 7 by 36. We can cancel this 36 and 36. Then we will get 7. So radius is equal to 7 centimeter. Then area of the semicircle is equal to half into pi r square. That is equal to half into pi 22 by 7 into r square means that is 49. So we can cancel this 2 and 22. Then we will get 11. Then 7 and 49 7. Then 11 into 7 means that is 77 centimeter square. So our option C. Then fifth question, a circular park has a path of uniform width around it. The difference between the outer and inner circumferences of the circular path is 132 meter. Its width is 20 meter, 21 meter, 22 meter and 24 meter. R1 and C1 be the radius and the circumferences of the inner circle. This is the inner circle. Its radius is R1 and its circumference is C1. Okay. Then R2 and C2 are the radius and circumferences of the outer circle. R2, C2. Then the width of the circular path is R2 minus. Width is equal to R2 minus R1. That much meter. Okay. So C2 minus C1 is equal to 132 meter. That is already given. Then C2, that is 2 pi R2 minus C1 2 pi R1, that is equal to 132. 2 pi into R2 minus R1 is equal to 132. Okay. Then R2 minus R1, that is equal to 132 divided by 2 pi. 2 pi means 2 into 22 by 7. Okay. Then we can cancel this 2 and 132. We will get 66. 22 into 3 is equal to 66. So 3 into 7 means 21. Width of the circular path is 21 meter. So our option B. Sixth question. The radius of a wheel is 0.25 meter. The number of revolutions it will make to travel a distance of 11 kilometer will be 2,800, 4,000, 5,500, 7,000. Radius of a wheel. Radius is equal to 0.25 meter. Circumferences C is equal to 2 pi r, that is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 0.25. Number of revolutions is equal to number of revolutions is equal to total distance divided by circumferences. Total distance means that is 11,000 divided by circumferences, that is 2 into 22, that is 44 into 0.25 divided by 7, that is equal to into 7. Okay, then we can cancel this 11 and 44, then we will get 4, and here we will get 1000. Then 0.25 into 4, that means here 7000 divided by 25 into 4 means 100, then we will get 1. So our answer is 7000 revolutions. So our option is D. Then 7th question, the ratio of the outer and inner perimeters of a circular path is 23:22. If the path is 5 meters wide, the diameter of the inner circle is 55 meter, 110 meter, 220 meter, 230 meter. Let the radius of the inner perimeter be R1 and outer perimeter be R2. Then 2 pi R2 by 2 pi R1, that is equal to 23/22. We can cancel this 2 pi and 2 pi. R2 by R1 is equal to 23/22. 23/22. Then R2 is equal to 23/22 into R1. Then if the path is 5 meter wide, that means R2 minus R1 is equal to 5. R2 23/22 into R1 minus R1 is equal to 5. We can take R1 outside. Then 23/22 minus 1 is equal to 5. Then R1 into 23 minus 22 means that is 1 divided by 22 is equal to 5. Therefore R1 is equal to 22 into 5, that is 110 meter. We have to find diameter, so 2R1 is equal to 220 meter. So our option is C. 8th question, the circumference of a circle is 100 centimeter. The side of a square is inscribed in the circle is A 50√2 centimeter, 100 by pi centimeter, 50√2 by pi centimeter, 100√2 by pi centimeter. Then circumference C is equal to 100 centimeter. 2 pi r is equal to 100 centimeter. Then r is equal to 100 divided by 2 pi, that is equal to 50 by pi. Then diagonal of square, that means diameter of the circle, that is equal to 2r. 2r is equal to 2 into 50 by pi, that is equal to 100 by pi. Then side of the square, that is equal to a centimeter. Then diagonal is equal to √2a. So 100 by pi, that is equal to √2a. Therefore a is equal to 100 divided by √2 pi. Therefore a is equal to, we can rationalize the denominator. So 100√2 divided by 2 pi, that is equal to 50√2 divided by pi centimeter. 50 root 2 by pi centimeter. So our option C. Okay guys, study up to here. The remaining questions we will discuss in the next class. Until then, bye bye.